Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Whip back with another makeup tutorial, and today we're gonna do this natural beat. So I actually completed this look within I believe it was like 35 minutes. She had to go to the airport, and I didn't want her to be late, so you know what I'm saying, I had to do what I had to do and get her there on time. So I completed this look in 35 minutes. So if I can, that means you can do it yourself too. So here we are. I went in with Morphe pencil in Java, and I filled in her brows. And now I'm going in with Milani concealers, and this is the shade Natural Sand. And I'm just using my concealer brush to conceal that. And then now here I am going in with Deep Tan from Milani, and I'm just using that I'm using that shade for the beginning of her brows. And here I am just blending it out with a buffing brush, just tapping that concealer onto her eyelids. And here I am just doing the same thing on the other side. If you guys have any looks in mind, please don't be afraid to ask. I'm gonna come back and start like doing my own makeup on my channel like I used to. I really miss it so bad, and I think it's time that I come back and drop some tutorials for you guys instead of just constantly doing client tutorials. Yeah, so I'm working on that, and I'm also working on my lighting. I did not forget about that, about showing you guys a video of how I take pictures and videos and lighting. Yeah, so now I'm going in with Deep Tan. Actually not Deep Tan, I'm going in with Macao from Nars, I believe, and I am concealing her brows. So I do use foundation for the top of the brows, and that's what I used. I went in with MOM per her request, you guys. It's the summertime. My clients be asking for it, so I give it to them. Now I'm going in with Macao towards the bottom, and then I'm going with Tahoe at the top, and I'm going to blend those shades together. And I'm using a beauty blender, and I am just tapping that foundation smoothly onto her skin and just blending everything out. Thank you so much, guys, for the love on my channel. I really appreciate it. I cannot wait till we get to 1,000 subscribers. You guys have been showing me so much love on my videos. It's pretty hard trying to be consistent. I'm trying as hard as I can. I think I need to be a little bit more organized when it comes to dropping videos. I have like a lot of videos that I record, and I just rarely have the time to record them. But thank you guys for being patient with me and sticking around. I really appreciate all the love, you guys. Trust me, I really appreciate it. I get so excited when I come on YouTube. So here I am going in with Natural Sand, and I'm just using that to highlight. Now I'm going in with my Real Technique setting brush, and I am blending out the edges of her highlight. After I went out and blended all that out, I went in with Ebony from Black Opal to contour, and you know, the forehead, you know, underneath the cheekbones. We getting all that, and I'm using my Morphe contoured angle brush, and I am blending everything out seamlessly together. Also, you guys, you will notice that I did not go in with blush. She did not want blush, so yeah, so no blush. Here I am going with Accosmetics and No Shine. I love this setting powder. Like, I swear, like, I love this setting powder so much. And I am basically just tapping that onto all the areas that I highlighted. I'm going underneath the eyes, the chin, the forehead. Now here I am going in with black opal and ebony. I am just contouring her nose. And here I go setting the nose and more on the forehead. And I'm just going back and forth with like the same contour brush. I'm not adding any products. I'm just going back, you know. And then here I am just carving that out to make sure her contour is defined. Now I'm going in and doing the same thing where I contoured her nose. Y'all, I be having like real conversations with my clients. Like, my clients, they just be, I don't know, I love my clients. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm yarning and stuff. But here I am going with Morphe Trendsetter, my favorite lip pencil, and I am lining up her lips. You guys, she had like the perfect lips, and I just love full, like, plump lips. And here I am going with Cairo from NYX, and I am placing that onto her lips. And I think I mixed it with NYX liquid lipstick and babydoll, so I mixed those two together to create this look, and it's so pretty, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then I'm going with some lip gloss, and then I'm gonna go in with some butter gloss from NYX in Fortune Cookie. Right after this, there it goes, and I'm just applying that onto the lips to make it pop a little bit more, you know. You need a little pop. And then here I go with some face powder, and I believe this is C8 from MAC Studio Finish, and Studio Finish, and C8, and then I went in with NW44, and I'm just placing that in all the areas that I set. I'm not dusting, I'm tapping it in. I'm going back in with my contour brush. No product was added, just using the same residue that I use. I went in with Morphe highlighter palette, and I'm just highlighting the areas, her forehead, her nose, her cheeks. And you guys, this completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the love. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for all the love. Bye.